How to see blocked accounts on Messenger. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So if you want to see the people you have blocked or you want to block some more people on Messenger, what you can simply do is, first of all, open the Messenger app on your device. Now, in the bottom right corner of your screen, you can see a 3-bar option which is the menu. Open it and then in the first you can see settings. Go there. After you go to settings, it will be directed to this sort of page. Now from here, you have to scroll a bit down and then under preferences, you can see various options. You have to go to the second option which says privacy and safety. Open it. Now inside privacy and safety also, you'll see various options and then go to the option which says who can reach you. Under there are 3 options. Among them, go to the option which says blocked accounts. There you go. Now you can see the people you have blocked over here, and if you want to add more people, then you can simply go to this icon over here which is in the top right corner of your screen. Then you can select the people you want to block, or you can simply type the name of the people you want to block over here. So this is how you can see blocked accounts on Messenger. So thank you for watching until the end of the video. Hope you liked it and see you in the next video.